Okay, Birds Oracle deck, the second is here. I got this beautiful print with it. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. And here it is. So excited. So here's the first one that I had the video on earlier. My first video there. Ironic that it's Rachel's Daily Tarot and my videos are on Oracle decks, but that's okay. So we've got the dark book, which is, this is the first one. This is the second, obviously. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And here's the tuck box that holds both decks. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's perfect. Oh my gosh, this box is beautiful. Okay, let me quickly open this. Be 1 second. If I could get it open. Ooh, that was so tight when they first come out. Oh, let's keep this one. Says you are loved on the first one. Oh my gosh, beautiful. We've got the gorgeous white versus the first one. So let's just go through them here and see. I'm so excited. I wondered, oh yeah, I was wondering if they were going to go continue up from 44, which is the last number on the first deck. Like, look at that. How beautiful is that? Like I said in my last video, I'm not even, I guess birds have sort of been my grandparents on both sides of my family are big birders, so maybe that's why I feel like a connection to the deck, but I myself never particularly took an interest, but when I saw this on Instagram, I had to have it. And the cards are gorgeous. They feel so nice. I've honestly never felt, they're just so soft. Look at that. Oh my goodness. A flamingo. Some birds, which I thought would be in the first deck, weren't, like a flamingo and stuff, so it's nice to see. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice to see them here in the second deck. Let's go through these really quickly, and then we can shuffle and pull a card from this one for today. Owls, owls, owls. Never too many owls. Yes, I love it. Those eyes. Amazing. I'm loving these feathers here. Wow. Cool. I wonder what this one, we'll look that up after I shuffle and pull one for today. Oh, well, that one wanted to pop out, so let's go with it. So we've got 86. The White Stork. A look at spirituality. Wow, perfect for what we're pulling. Awesome. What are your beliefs? Are you spiritual? What about this can guide you today? Well, that's interesting since we're pulling from the deck today. So I was curious also on what this last card was, your bird, whatever you imagine it to be. Cool. I love that. Oh, it's associated oh, the chakras. Okay, I didn't know that, but some of these cards, like I pointed out, have why can't I find one? Like these, which the first deck, there's none like that in the first deck, I don't think, unless I'm losing my mind. No. So that's got a little bonus feature, I guess. Yeah, here we go. Cool. That's awesome. So that's something extra. 7 birds to represent each of these 7 major chakras. Cool. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, it's so nice to have that little extra. You can do whatever you want. There's so many purposes for these cards. And they're gonna look so nice all shuffled in together. At first I was kind of like not sure how I felt about the cards being different backs, but I think honestly, some people will hate that I'm going to riffle shuffle these, but I'm going to see if I can. I think it's going to look super cool all together like this. I love how they feel. This guy's coming out to say hello. Beautiful. Okay, there they are. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.